Lewis and Clark County leaders have approved a temporary contract to ensure mental health services in the county detention center. Now, our Jonathan Ambarian has been following this story and is live now in the studio with the very latest. Jonathan, what can you tell us?
Thanks, Jessica. Lewis and Clark County leaders have approved a temporary contract after the previous provider ended its operations here. The county commission voted today to give short-term contracts to the Center for Mental Health through the end of February. The center will provide a mental health therapist in the jail during business hours and will be on call for crisis response there the rest of the time. Western Montana Mental Health Center had previously handled those operations but declined to continue after county leaders made changes to the services. The county is now looking to directly hire behavioral health staff for the jail. They're taking proposals for a county-wide crisis response team. Commissioners thanked the Center for Mental Health for taking on this temporary responsibility.
For any provider who comes and works with this population, our entire citizenry owes them a real debt, because this is very, very challenging work.
This is really important to get this short-term contract in place. It's a needed service. It's something we said we were going to do. We're providing these services, and they're only going to get better.
Now, mental health services in the jail were added as part of the operations levy that voters passed in 2017. Detention center leaders say the majority of inmates are in need of some behavioral health services. In the studio, I'm Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.